The IRS has set a legal landmine on the 2019 tax return for crypto traders. Starting this year, 2019, the IRS is requiring everyone filing a tax return with Schedule 1 to answer if they trade crypto. Watch this video to learn why answering this question honestly can be the difference between small penalties and jail. My name is Andrew Gordon. My firm helps taxpayers properly report crypto and even fight the IRS in audits and criminal investigations. Now more than ever, the IRS is on the hunt for crypto tax evaders. But even if you are a small trader, the IRS wants to know. This year, right at the top, the very first question, Schedule 1 of your tax return, the IRS asks, at any time during 2019, did you receive, sell, send, exchange, or otherwise acquire financial interest in any virtual currency? Then there's a checkbox next to it and asks yes or no. Those are the two options. There isn't an I don't know. It's yes or no. If you have crypto and met any of these activities in 2019, the best way is to ensure that you don't have any problems with the IRS is to check yes and fully report any and all of your crypto trades. But why is this so important? Often the difference in IRS audits between small penalties or severe penalties or even jail is the concept of willfulness. Generally, to be convicted of a tax crime, the government has to show you were willful in committing your crime. This is different than, for instance, making an honest mistake on filing your tax return. In the crypto space, there are a lot of misconceptions about tax, and a lot of people made honest mistakes in crypto tax reporting in prior years, especially in prior years. But for 2019, the IRS will likely argue that everyone can answer this question accurately. If you did any of these things, you received, you sold, you sent, you exchanged, or you acquired, check yes on your tax return. If you select no, then the IRS will argue that you were willful in your failure to report any trades. This comes right from the IRS's playbook. The IRS did very much the same thing with foreign bank accounts. For decades, U.S. persons hid funds overseas, thinking the IRS will never learn about the accounts. But then this all changed, and the IRS required persons to disclose their accounts and even check yes or no about foreign bank accounts on their tax returns. Sounds a lot like crypto. The IRS has since established in many criminal cases that by checking no, a taxpayer was willful in their failure to report their bank accounts or foreign income. We believe it is only a matter of time before the IRS applies the same type of law to crypto. If you own crypto, it is probably a good idea to speak to your tax preparer about your crypto holdings and how best to answer this question. Our office has been handling crypto tax matters since 2014. Contact us for a confidential consultation to discuss your crypto tax filings.